Hello, road legal baby. I think the bags need to be calibrated again because every time I air up and air down, it doesn't go to the preset settings that I have in here, and I always have to like manually adjust it and stuff. It could also be the terrain, like the level of the road, and it could be a bunch of things, but I'm gonna hit up Chance later this week and see if we can work something out with that because it's a little funky. But what's going on, guys, and welcome to the vlog. Yesterday I released a short little video talking about the merch and the fact that I released the shirt designs, and you guys are doing an absolutely amazing job on supporting those, and I thank you guys so much for that. The link is in the description and down below the description of the videos where you can see the Teespring bar where you can go and pick up your hoodie, short sleeve or long sleeve of all 3 new designs that I came out with, and they're really fire. I really love them, and you guys are showing your support, and I really appreciate it. We're almost there. We still need to sell a little bit, but we're almost there to help me get to the point where I can actually buy the wheels. So things are looking up, but I gotta go to work, and what better car to take since this is now road legal. So I'm gonna go to work, and afterwards we can do I think I want to do the headlights. I want to restore the headlights because they're yellow and boof and ugh, they look gross. So let's go to work. Shit is so cool, dude. I will never get over that. It's so cool. Ooh. It looks like a bullet. I'm about it. See you guys in a couple hours. Alright, we are out of work, which means now it is playtime. So, like I said in the beginning of the video, I want to kind of clean up the headlights on this car because, as you know, they are disgustingly yellow and gross and grimy just because they're plastic and not glass, so they corrode and they turn yellow over time. So I had a few people in the comments talking about the shirts and asking if they were sold worldwide or not, and the answer is yes, they are sold worldwide. All of my stuff is sold worldwide. So if you guys are outside of the US and you guys want to pick up a shirt, the link will be in the description, like I said in the beginning of the video. So let's go and find something that will work good to clean my gross headlights. See if they got what I need. Headlights, 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 headlights. Headlights. Clear plastic cleaner and polish. I heard about this, the plastics, but 3M though. I like 3M. I think that I might go with 3M just because it's 3M. So I was hoping that they had a Meguiar's has a resto kit right here. 20 bucks. I'm gonna go a little bit budget with this. I wish that they had a sealant, like a separate sealant that I could use, but it doesn't look like they carry just sealant. It all comes in like a kit for 35 bucks. So I think that this will work, and then we can seal it up with some wax and stuff. And of course, just as soon as I get what I need, it starts to rain. So, hooray me. It's been a shitty week so far. It's just nothing but clouds and rain and junk. So, we'll see if the rain holds up and I'm able to do this, because I really want to clean these up. I'll show them to you right now before I get in the car. They're ugh, nasty. I'll do the fog lights too, because those are nasty. All right, so it is kind of drizzling, but it's very minor, so probably still do it regardless. But yeah, I got some tape, and we are going to mask up the headlights, the auxiliary lights or fog lights, and those down there. I don't really know the correct terms for them. They're either fogs, they're either aux lights,
but they're yellow and they look gross. So we're gonna change that today. All right, so we got the driver's side headlights masked off and everything. I'm gonna go and get some alcohol just to clean all of the dirt and, you know, gross stuff off of the headlight. And then we can dive into using the 3M headlight renewal to make these look nicer. I think I'm gonna put a piece of tape down the middle just so that I can see like a before and after comparison, because that would be pretty cool. Honestly, on camera, they don't really look that bad, but if you look at them from the side, that's when you really start to see the yellow. Really gross. So hopefully after today they look really nice. But yeah, I'm gonna go get the alcohol, clean them off, tape them up, and then we can start making them look good. All right, so that's what came off the headlights after using the alcohol, and it honestly made them look good, but I know it's not permanent. From the side you can still see the yellow. So I'm gonna throw you guys down on the tripod and cut that headlight in half with some tape, hit one side, and we can see the difference. Thank God that this camera is water resistant. Right in the middle right here is good. All right. So, I got this little headlight kind of pad, and just gonna dab some of this stuff on there. All right. So, let's hit this side first. See how dirty this thing's become? That's all the schmeg from the headlight coming off. Probably go over one more time, and then we can see how it looks. All right, so just like anything else that I do, I am a novice. I am nowhere near professional status, so if I'm doing anything wrong, I think I'm doing things right. Holy crap, dude. Does that show up on camera well? Oh yeah, holy crap. Wow. Okay, 10 out of 10. Not sponsored. All right, so I'm going to peel this back. Wow. Look at that. That looks brand new. All right, since I was kind of far away with the camera, let me get like closer up here so you can see the before and after and stuff. You can see the fine line right down the middle, and that just looks awesome. Maybe from the side it'll be easier to see. Oh yeah, you can kind of see the fine line right there where all the haze is gone. And it looks brand new compared to this one. Beautiful. All right, I'm gonna hit the rest of the headlight, and then we can go from there. All right, now that the headlight is fully done and you can see the results, I mean, you can see the comparison between the headlight and the aux light. You come over to this side, and then you can really see the comparison. So it's pretty crazy. So now that I did that one, I'm gonna hit this one real quick, and then we can move on to this side, and then I can get down to these. Even though I'm gonna be replacing this bumper at some point, I still want this to obviously look good while I'm, you know, in the meantime, because I still love this car and I don't want it to look like shit. So let's get it on. So now you can see all 4 headlights are looking awesome, so much better than before. And now we're gonna tackle the these guys down here. Like I said, I plan on swapping the bumper out, so I won't be having those anymore, but it's nice to make them look good at the same time. There, you can see it before and after, looking at the bottom and top. Yuck. All right, you guys, look at this difference. The car looks so much cleaner. Damn. I did all of this with one product too. Just one product. You know how much it cost me? $8. And you get that. That's awesome. That's literally amazing. Of course, I obviously used the little pad over there too, but that you could probably get for $10, $8 too. I don't know. But holy crap. Step by step, this thing's turning into something beautiful, and I'm definitely stoked. Which reminds me, since the video is coming to an end right now, like I said, this thing is starting to become beautiful. The wheels are coming. It's so awesome. You guys are killing it with the shirt sales so far. So before I end this video, I just want to plug it one more time. Link is in description if you want to help out and support the channel and support the stuff that I will be doing to this car, because it's going to be awesome and I'm excited. We're almost there to be able to afford the wheels 100%, so that's awesome. But if you guys want to help me out, the link is in the description, and the wheels will be shipping out in 3 to 4 weeks. So that's awesome. This thing's gonna look totally different. I know I haven't said what the wheels were yet, but that's for fair reason. It's gonna be something that none of you guys, not a single one of you besides my friends, know about. So it's gonna be really cool. So I think that it's gonna make this car pop so well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was quick. It was just one little job, I know, but I had stuff that I had to do today, and I have stuff after this that I have to do today. So I only had time today for a quick job, but it turned out awesome. These headlights look brand new, and I'm definitely stoked I did it. So I'm happy with that. I'll see you guys in the next video when we do something else. Peace out.